pick up my voice. There we go. That's weird. It totally like muted my microphone, and I didn't set that option. Hmm. Too bad. You're muted somehow. Yeah, I know. I know. I'm totally muted. Thank you, Jeff. Totally got me. I should have noticed that the little equalizer, whatever you call it, wasn't like moving around. Okay. So, anyways, I'm talking through my quandary of setting colliders on the tiles for the walls, and me still walking through walls, as you can see here. Oh, whoa, hold up. Now it's gonna work. So I know why that's happening, and I'll explain in a second. It's working now. All right. So the reason why it's glitching like that is because if you take a look when I zoom out here, hand guy over. Um, yeah. So if you take a look at my guy here, you can see that there's this box here, this mesh. This is where I have my, I think my rigid body was it? Yeah, my rigid body, rigid body, rigid body. Um, it's in a rectangular shape, so the reason why like I'll bump into here and then like turn, oh, turn and it kind of does like this weird like readjustment. You can see like the box itself over here, it's always like outside the tiles. So if I turn, you can kind of see like it's like rolling with the rectangle. So I think what I need to do here, and while this kind of sucks, actually no, I wonder if I can apply two levels of a collider. It might be the collider that's being here. So if I got it. We don't want a box collider. Remove it. What are you doing? Remove component. It's gone now. It is okay. So okay, I was going through this whole like thing like what is it? Why is it not working? And it was because I didn't have a collider on the guy itself. Cool, that's good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a collider. This time instead of doing like a box or a rectangle, we're gonna do a circle collider. And I am going to increase the size of this. Hopefully this does it. I want to do this in an outward mode. Shift down will that do? There we go. Okay. Oh, like that. Okay. So we'll put it like right about there. Seems to encompass the entire thing. I think this will do it. So yeah, there we go. See that? Much cleaner, I think. That was a little bit glitchy. I think that might be related slightly to the thing that they were talking about with the gaps in between. Yeah, it is much nicer. So if I go back and pull back open what I was looking at here, um, scroll up here. They were talking about an issue with like the in between tile collisions. Actually, let me look at the crashables real quick. It's chunked. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference. No, it doesn't seem to make a difference. Want chunked. Want chunked. I want to treat it as all one big unit. That's exactly what we want. All map renderer. We'll roll with this for the time being. I'm sure there's a way to like set it so that it's actually like treating this entire like map here as one big thing. What's up, Joseph? All right. Hey Jeff, do you want to build a level? Let's see if we can get this collaboration thing to work. Okay, how do we do this? I'm gonna open on my other window. Unity.com. I don't know if it's gonna show my email address. No, definitely don't. Log in. I think I logged in with my Google. Might have been Facebook. Well, that didn't work. Holy moly. All right, well, apparently I'm in. Owner of this one organization. Image. Owner's manager, personal. You're overclocking your laptop with MSI Combustor. You're always into something, man. You're gonna blow up your laptop. Second to 2019. That's it. This should be it. Organization name. Eric the Red. Select industry. Names. What else? Organization address. Give me 1 second. What country? America. That's where I am. You get yourself in so much trouble, man. You're gonna blow up a laptop and I have a laptop. Oh, I didn't save my name. Oh, because it's two different sections. So silly. Okay. Okay. User, see all. All right, Jeff. What's your Discord? Me your username. I think your username. Maybe. Yeah, actually, I think I do, but I need to send you the. I need to have like your username, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, your username or email. Give me the email address on Discord that you used to sign up for Unity. Oh, I saw you just messaged. No members or groups found. Please try again. Roll. Oh, wait, hold on. No, I need your email. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Set you up as a manager. Assign groups to the members. Yeah. All right, invite. All right, being sent your way. I don't know if this is even the right thing to do to get this collaboration thing going. See here, like there's this. Oh, okay. Here's a little cloud guy. So cloud guy. Drop this down. We have This was glitching on me yesterday too. So stupid. I don't even know if Unity thinks it, or Unity knows that this is broken. Pretty sure they don't know. Oh, it's doing something. It's like 2 frames a second. It's crazy. I think you've accepted. You have. Okay, let's go to services on Unity's website. Sorry, I can't show you guys. There's a lot of personnel information here. Setting up collaborate. That sounds like what I need. Main Unity services page on Unity. See, the reason I'm a little weirded out by this though is that the fact that it doesn't. It's a learning process. Yeah, it's like everything with Unity is a learning process. So down on it. Nope. Okay, so you could literally like build out a level for me right now. You just have to make sure that anything you put on the crashables grid is a wall, and ground is just ground. I already have a Unity project ID. You son of a gun. I don't. I'm totally lying right now. Collaborate. Let's just see have like a little thing on collaborate. All right, so typically Unity services are enabled by default. You can specify settings during project creation to disable Unity services. If Unity services are disabled, you must re-enable them before you can collaborate. Or may, well, okay. So it sounds like I'm going to re-enable them. Like I totally turned them off. Totally turned them off. This is how you turn it on, apparently. Okay. I have to use the dumb thing that's broken. Basically what I'm seeing here. Yeah, I got... I pop this out. Can I break this out in its own window? I wonder if this will help. This is not helping. Like, wait. Oh. This thing's so weird, man. I think that's all on your end, or whether or not to enable it. Yeah, here's the thing about that is, I think if you don't enable it from the beginning, kind of screwed. Because you get into the state where this thing just doesn't work. I'm going to test that theory real quick. I'm going to save this. Oh. Now I can save it. Let's close project. I can't close a project. I have to... Here. That, like, close out my other... But see, this is more responsive now. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it was because I had a game running. I bet you that's why it was wigging out. Select organization. Hey. That's a sweet thing. I think I just have to enable it the once for this. Ooh. This. Oh, look at that. Top-down zombie. It still thinks I'm in the game. Oh, I must have did a new scene. That's a my bad. That's totally not what I wanted to do. Open scene. Yeah, we totally did not want to do that at all. Wow. Let's close this down. I'm not saving nothing. It's already saved. I already know it. Learning experience. Just make a whole new project and test it from scratch. Yeah. I think I know what was wrong. Which is good because then I can tell people what was wrong and they don't run into the same thing. Okay. It opened me back up. All right, so here's the scene. There's a hierarchy. How do I go back to the one I was at? Great, no. Open scene. I don't even know where my scenes were. Assets, library logs, object packages, project settings, temp. Assets, scenes, sample. Here we are. We're back again. Okay, cool. Okay. Cloud build. No, don't need that. Collaborate. Hold on. Woo! Here we go. All right, publish and share for file changes, history, cloud storage. I was going to use GitHub, but this is more integrated. Yeah. So I think, what's this? We got a new button. It's turned on now. Things are, there's problems. Here we go. Ready? Ready? Wait, quickly and easily access your project from anywhere. Sync and share with the entire team. Oh, I turned you on. What you doing? Start now. Oh, it must not have worked before. Something. I don't know. Okay. I guess that worked. All right, Jeff, I think it's ready to roll. Oh, wait, no, no, it's not ready to roll. Hold on here. This is where I need to put do initial hit. Publish. Syncing. This is all new to me, man. So you just got to bear with me. I think I can see the people. Whoa, nope. Ooh, that was close. I'm gonna do it and then I'm gonna pull it to the next window. I don't know if it's gonna show emails. Still going. Yeah, it's throwing errors. They sell this apparently. Ah, rocket science. I don't know why it's taking so long. So far, this thing's failed like 3 times. All were their problem, and 5 times total, 2 of which were my fault. So they're not completely to blame, but this should be much easier. Okay. Something here. Oh. Okay. Says 100. Says 100. Hold on. This is a lot of waiting, isn't it? A whole lot of waiting. Ooh. I mean, I realize it's probably processing, but it's on like a gig. This is like text. It's seem to be doing okay. It's 21, 25 megabits up speed. Oh, that's malarkey because this done now. It says finalizing. Dangerous. You guys still with me? You guys still see me? YouTube's telling me there's issues. Hopefully not a gig, but better than 0. My upload's steady. We're not gonna do that. Okay. Hmm. Everybody still there? I can't even tell if the stream's still going now. I check Streamlabs. Huh. Wow, it's bad stream. That's what it says. We're not receiving video data. at a fast enough rate, your viewers may experience buffering. Ensure your connection is fast enough or consider using a lower bitrate. A bitrate's already really slow. Lame. Lame. What have I done? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Yeah, okay. Yeah, my I don't know what's going on with my internet connection right now. Alright, says it's back up. I had an internet blip, and I think it was because I loaded the speed test. I think. I don't know. Can't confirm that, but holy crap. Alright, so this thing is still not showing up as a project that can be used. It still says it's finalizing. What I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to hit cancel. And hopefully that doesn't screw this up. I can't even click cancel. Well, so much for that. Bye. Project name. Apparently this is the project. It's created all the stuff for it. Unity doesn't actually see it, and that's the problem here. And I can't even like pinpoint if it was my fault or if it was Unity's fault now because the internet glitch. Larky. Absolute mark. I'm gonna close this, which is probably even stupider. Unity Hub. We'll try this again. Okay. Click on this guy. Load it up. These streams are so much fun with me. Always an adventure. Okay. We'll collaborate spinning. Hold on. Holding on. It's the journey. That's right. It's the journey that counts. Alright, we're gonna switch over to water. Need a hydrate. Okay. Got a little green check. So that's good. Oh, it says initial commit. Actually going to load. Still gives me a 404. Beeping at me. Quit beeping. Commit. Huh? This doesn't feel good. There's two commits, both with the same message, which leads me to believe that it failed and tried it again. Show all on the dashboard. That would be nice. Things have gotten unsynced. This is not good. Not good at all. Oh. All right. What are we doing? Let's see, how do we unlink? Can I unlink at this point? I don't think I can. Services. Account. Go to account. Yep. There's all my stuff. Settings. I go to dashboard. I can go to dashboard. We'll list my stuff. Develop. Still doesn't see it. So somehow it's able to pull this like commit information. Pretty cool. However, it's not showing up on Unity. I don't have an option here. see it. I should see it here. Create a new project, which is not what I want. That's a bummer. Fire. That will. And if I try to. Try to. Tab. Alright, so can I turn it here? Great together. Let's turn it off. Yeah, okay. Oop. Okay. Looking at a video right now on setting it up. No, trust me, I think we're doing it right. I think it was just these issues that were like with the internet just causing this freak out. I'm gonna turn off collaborate and then I'm gonna turn it back on and see what happens. Okay. Not good. Toolbar, not what I want. It's busted. Totally busted. Okay. Let's see, Unity. Actually, let's do the search over here so everybody can see it. Unity and collaborate unsync. Or actually, reset collab. How can I reset, wipe, and re-upload Project Collaborate? Apparently, we don't have a way to delete everything off of Collaborate servers. That's okay because apparently it's not even there. What you can do is archive the project. This will remove the project from the active storage. To do so, navigate to blah. That's going to show. Select this project you wish to archive. Select the settings tab. Yeah, so it's not even there. Okay. You'll be able to view blah, blah, blah. I'll pass this feature. Okay. Yes, no. Ugh. And let's see if that's out of history or out of date. Let's go here. Click. Click here. There should be a reload, but there isn't. People are filling my head. All this stuff. I wonder what happens if I hit build now. I wonder what happens if I hit restore. I'm just doing so many stupid things. Great. All right, so this is not doing anything. This is a ruined project. Absolutely ruined. It is dead. project state problems. Wait. Your local project state is the state you want, but you are experiencing conflicts. Kind of right. Okay, so relink project. Open services tab. Services up. Settings. Settings. Unlink project. Do that. Well, there we go. That's what we want. Yeah, let's unlink that. Cool. Try it again. And we'll create. Okay. Turn on collaborate again. And now we wait. Amazing what actually reading the documentation does for you. Seems like it should be working. I know. I think it was supposed to be working. I think the problem was that as it was uploading the project files to Unity's like cloud storage, and then the internet like went out as you had seen. I think something happened between the two because if it was still uploading and Unity didn't get that message to say hey it was done, it just gets out of sync. Okay, so this is ready. Let's try this again. Initial commit, which should only be one commit. Now we go. See what happens. And yes, I'm like on like a 40 megabit per second up. So this should be, I think. Think of it like this, even if it's a failure, you learn from it. Yeah. And fortunately, like I understand what's going on. Fortunately. Some people would actually like see it like freak out like this and not know what to do. And not know what was actually the problem. I have a pretty good idea of what went wrong. Okay, it's uploading. Hopefully internet doesn't go out again. Going so slow. And look at that. I mean that fast. Up now. Stream is getting a huge hit. Oh. You think so? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think it's a CPU. Don't think it's a CPU. I think what it's actually doing is it's competing for bandwidth with my stream. Stream still says it's good. Getting the hold on. And and then oh, hey Cherry, I totally didn't even say hi to you. What's up? How was your day today? Anybody else on? Just you, Jeff, and Cherry? Okay, so apparently it's done. I'm gonna actually see if it loads up now. Wow, still nothing. Holy moly. I wonder if I'm logged into the right account. Should be. Let me take a quick look at this. Down. I apparently have 2 Unity IDs. It's the journey. It's the journey. Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna try to figure that out. Jeff, I'm gonna send you another invite. Actually, first I'm gonna drop you out of this one. That way it's not gonna get confusing for you. Let's see, manage organizations. This guy, one member. Actually, it doesn't even show you in here. Heck. It shows me. Oh, that's the one I want. Okay, so it's logged to a different one. 1 second. Windows. Too many windows. That. Yeah, you're not gonna see anything just yet. Give me 1 second. It apparently have two different Unity accounts. All right, let's see here. Good, worked. Then me and my girlfriend cuddled and hung out when I got home, so it was super nice. That sounds nice. Sounds super nice. Dashboard. Hey, let's save it for another day. We're like right there. We're like so close. Like I think we figured out what it was. I'm pretty sure I know what the problem is. Manage organizations. Yeah, so there you are in here. I'm gonna drop you out of this one. Okay. So I'm gonna just straight remove you. And I'm gonna send you another invite here 1 second. Okay, sign out that one. And then we're gonna go into this guy. Come on, open. Go to account. All right, so there's that one. And then we're gonna go to organizations, mine, see all. Okay. All right. Add member. This dude right here. Put you manager. Next. Invite. All right, so I just sent you another, and that should do it. Now, I don't think it's gonna be as cool as I was, saying, where you'll be able to like build a level and I'll be able to like see it as it's like as you're doing it. After having seen all of this and like how this is working, it's kind of clunky. So I would be very surprised if that was the case. I think instead what's going to happen is you're going to be able to build the level, upload it, and then I'll be able to pull it down and then actually see it. That would be cool. That would be cool. But at any rate, we're back at this now. So let's just make sure everything still kind of works. So we have. Okay, so we still got the rotation. We can still move around. Can I still collide? Collide's not working anymore. Of course, why would it? All right, well, let's stop that. Let's go back to inspector. Let's take a look at my dude. Do I have the box collider? That's part of the problem, I think. We do want the box. We don't want the box collider. Didn't save that. Okay, so let's drop this out. Remove component. Instead, we're going to add the circle collider. And then we're going to edit it. And then what we're going to do, it's actually pretty good. Put it to about there. That's about right. Okay, we're going to make sure that we actually have the colliders on the crashables. Yep, it's there still. Turn off the trigger. Play again. Surprise, you don't work on this for like 5 hours at a time. I know. All right, cool. Colliding again, so at least bumping into walls. Jaggedly, but still bumping. It's good. Cool. All right. Stop that. Let's update that. All right, how do I save? Okay, here we go. Now I can push this. So, fixed colliders on crashables. Actually, I should probably format this correctly. So fixed colliders. Updated colliders on tile map on Crashables. Tile map. Changed to a circle collider for a player. Done. Publish now. Okay. Boop. All right, Unity teams required? No. Seriously? We have to have Unity teams? I do have a Unity team. It's basic. Basic. Or do I actually have to create a team? Is that what that's saying? And now it shows like 2 Dom bombs. What's this about? Oh no, look at this. Okay. We got some problems here. Where are teams? There's organizations, but I don't think that's the same thing as teams. I think you actually have to create a legitimate organization. I should probably take a look at that one later. Let's do that. Players. This again. Over this. Come on. Setting. Yeah, it's number 1. So I'm going to go delete the other one because that's just going to get confused. If we ever have to do that again. Yeah, because it's showing like 2 Zombombs now. It's like showing like a regular one and then one with in parentheses 1 like here. And that's just not going to fly. Like that's not going to be good for anybody. It's free. Yeah, I know it's free, but I just don't know where to set it up at. I don't really tell you that. Dude, it like somehow flipped me back to my other Unity. And it was like totally uncalled for. Log out. I'll log out of this one so I don't do this again. Account, go to account. We're not logged in. I know I'm not logged in. Log me in. Okay, logged in. Now let's go to dashboard. Go to develop. Going out board. See what's going on. Yep, so there's a couple different ones in here. We don't want these ones. I guess apparently there's not a way to delete these, from what I'm understanding. Multiplayer. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Collaborate. You want to go to settings. General. Archive. Okay, and we want to archive this one as well because this is the other one. Wish it was that engaged. Oh, you're in? Okay, so you don't need a team. This one as well. Boop. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna rename this one. Rename. I don't want that stupid parentheses. Top down. Zom bomb. I don't want to try. Oh, rename. Okay. I think we're good now. Cleaned. All right, Jeff, why don't you go ahead and give it a shot and like try to see if you can get it into your Unity hub and see if you can actually hit the play button and crash around like I'm able to. Because you should be able to hit the play button like just as simple and just like start crashing and stuff. You used WADs to move around, by the way, and hold shift down to run. Okay. All right, cool. We're making some progress here. So we now have crashables. So now we can actually start building out a, what do you call it, a level. It's so funny just to see my... Okay. Oh, cool. Okay. Um, yeah, so you should have enough now to be able to start building out a level. Don't forget to open up the tile palette. I think you can get that by going to project here and then going into where I put it. Tiny RPG forest. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't do this right. So sorry. Actually, no, I think I did. Where did I put it? That's not in there. Yeah, I don't know where I put it. It's somewhere in there. There's a tile palette somewhere. Good luck to you. Okay. Cool. So we got that done. Let's take a look at what it's going to take to start building out guns. I want a gun. Um, yeah. So I did some research on this one as well. What things I can do to start making poo. To do something like that, one of the problems that we're going to be dealing with is a couple. First off, knowing the direction for which I'm shooting, right? And then also knowing what angle, well, I guess that plays into not the angle, but the offset. So because you can see this arrow right here, which would mean that I'm going to be shooting straight out of my chest, which doesn't make sense. I'm actually going to be shooting out of my gun. So I have to have a way of being able to kind of like orient my gun, the barrel, the end tip of the barrel as being the place where the bullets are going to start from. And then some cool maths to figure out like how to get it to where it needs to go. Fortunately, I think Unity actually makes it easy. I think there was a way of like right-clicking the player. Actually, I'm gonna rename this player real quick while we're here because light doesn't make sense. I'm gonna just call it player. Cool. Save. I'm gonna upload this. Actually, we'll hold off on that. Second. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right-click on player. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create empty. And by creating empty here, we're basically underneath the player, we're creating an inheritance here. We're basically saying, hey, there's a thing here that's underneath player that belongs to this player. And this is basically going to be the thing where we shoot from. So you can see that I can move this around to be at the tip of the gun here, right? But the player still has his, XYZ coordinates here still correct. I click on this, and importantly, like if I start to play the game, check this out. Stays on the tip of the gun. So that's kind of cool. That means that I don't have to do any kind of crazy mathematics to figure out like how to line up my shot. Yeah, it's already going to handle it for me. The next piece of this, there's actually going to be more to this, is that we're going to have to figure out how to spawn in a bullet and then make that bullet move and then make it hit something and then kind of explode. So this is cool step one. This is honestly probably, I already tried doing this before, and this is as far as I gotten. So now I'm in like no man's land where I don't know what to do. But we're gonna try to figure this out. But you can see like this is kind of cool. Like you can already like aim this stuff. It's just really cool, pretty powerful stuff. Pause there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and upload this real quick. So updated player. And player object name to player. Added a, oops, before I go too far, I should probably change this name from game object to, come on. Boom. Oh, boom. Happens when you shoot a gun, go boom. A new boom game object is a sub to the player. Save. All right, I'm gonna start getting a steady stream of updates. Don't worry about publishing right now. Oh, wait. And okay, because I set myself a seat, and you're right, it only gets updated as it gets published. I think it is publishing, isn't it? As soon as I hit the publish button or whatever, Pretty sure it's getting up there. We got a problem when I opened it up. The scene assets, etc., didn't load in. It might be that you're actually like loaded into. Actually, make sure like in the assets here, there's a demo. What's our demo doing? Oh, heh. There's our tile palette, whatever that thing. More here than I thought. It didn't add everything. Well, that kind of sucks. Weird. So weird. Actually, open up the sample scene underneath scenes. So you'll look in your assets and you'll see scenes. Open that guy up. It's there in the asset list, but it's not all layered out like you have it. Really? Okay. Yeah, we'll check that on Discord because it should be. Should be. Okay, cool. So we have the boom now. The boom is there. And now what we need to do is we need to add a bullet. And I think I had some assets for that. Actually, I think they had some assets for it. Soldier. Where's the soldier? Hmm. What's up? Collaborate, show, explore, open, open. There's supposed to be a way to open up PSDs within Unity. Like, what? Import new. Import pack. Oh, that's a strip. Guess not. Guess we're going to have to open up. What you call it? No, doesn't seem right. Whatever. Let's open up Photoshop. Do. Kind of fun. Like my computer's so slow. Just like click. Happening. Slow computer either. It's like ink. This. There you go. Okay, so in this one we're supposed to have actual here. Yeah. Except I don't want it to be like an elongated one because the elongated ones are gonna be a little tricky because they're always gonna show up like this. And if I'm gonna be rotating around, I'm gonna need to be able to like rotate that around as well. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna stick to the simple one. That guy. This guy right here. Export. Can we export directly from here? Yep, quick export. Yeah, this is the one we want. We're not gonna put it there. New folder. My like layout for my my hierarchy for the whatever. Ammo. This laser 4, whatever. Save changes to Adobe. Sure. So now it's gonna show up as an update. Yep. Kind of sucks. Okay, well now we have a bullet. Oh, there's ammo. Drop this in. I think it's as simple as that. Right. Okay, we change the order and layers to be what? I had the person at 100. Make this one 101. It's kind of cool. Looks nice, I guess. That. Okay. Fortunately, though, it's not. We don't want it to render yet. I think. Hmm. Draw mode. That's not it. Color. Flip. Alright, so problem for me is that I don't know. Right now it's going to show all the time. I think. Yeah, so it's going to be there all the time, which is not what I want. I wonder if I'm actually supposed to create as a sub. It's actually kind of cool because watch this. Oh, that's cool. Actually, I can probably make that really cool. I could probably make that so that as I'm like charging the beam or whatever, I could probably make it like bigger and smaller. You know, whatever. Uh, scale. Okay, so we don't want it as a sub. We actually want to keep it out here. The problem number one is that I'm gonna have to figure out like how to like make it so that it's not showing like from when I first played the game. Yeah, just like Metroid, just like Metroid. Exactly what I was thinking. Um, it needs to only show up when I'm actually firing the gun, not like when I hit the play button. So that'll be problem number one. Problem number two is that I need to be able to call this thing in whenever whenever I hit the fire button. But more than that is I need to have it so that it actually travels. So first off, I need to actually this again, I guess. Pull this back out. Okay. I need to add a rigid body because this thing's gonna have to be able to move. So let's add a rigid body. That in there now. Body type dynamic. Simulated mass. Okay, this is gonna be funny. Watch, it's just gonna fall down. I don't know why I like doing this, but it's funny. All right. Gravity scale 0. Discrete and continuous. Sleeping mode. Interpolate. Constraints. That's cool. Okay. But we're gonna keep going. Okay. Crack open this window here. Unity and spawn bullet. Unity and 2D spawn bullet. All right, currently working on the controls for my game. There will be a similar Robotron, Smash TV, or Geometry. I've been trying to figure out that for 2 days now how to instantiate my projectile free prefab. I've scoured Google, blah blah. Okay, so he's having a problem like actually spawning it in. Your code isn't any. Okay. Oh, it isn't. Yeah, it's just like straight up floating out in the open there. Needs to have inside of a method. Smash TV and Geometry are both games that aim and shoot like yours does. Oh, yeah. Well, there you go. Instantiate. Okay. Okay. All right, hold on. So first off, Unity and define bullet prefab. Oh. Shooting. How to create a projectile. Up. Code. Breaking down the script. Establish a rigid body. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need this. I know I'm gonna need this. This is actually telling me. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out how to define the actual bullet without it showing up. This is the cool part. We're getting to the cool part now. All right. Well, how about this? first off, let's mess with the script. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the script. We're gonna go to the player control. Actually, no, let's create a new script. Create C# script. We'll call it boomstick. Anybody get that reference? Okay. I don't think I'm gonna need to start for this, so I'm gonna drop that guy out. Get rid of that junk. Also going to increase the size so everybody can see better. Input get button. I'm gonna do get button because I think I have better luck with that one. What's the button we're gonna use for firing? I think it was just called fire 1 if I remember correctly. Input. Yeah, it's fire 1. It's gonna be left control. I don't know if I want that. Spacebar seems more, because I'm gonna use shift. I'm gonna use shift to run around. I don't want control because that's like right below shift. Weird. Yeah, spacebar seems more intuitive. Actually, mouse seems more intuitive, but I think they already have it here too, the alternate. I'm gonna overdo my overclocking on my laptop and watch it fry now. Get an egg and a pan and see what happens. No, don't do that. That'd be bad. All right. So how do I do this? Can I just type space and it works? Close that down. Open this back up. Type in fire 1. I believe it was a boolean. So bool is firing. Stupid error. Man, I should just. I honestly, I should just build a Hackintosh. Like, okay. If is firing. What we're going to do. Oh, I should do button down. Okay, so if is firing. We are going to create instance. No. Instance. Instantiate. That's what I said. Instantiate. Apparently there's a projectile, so I think what I need to do is also create a public game object. We'll call it what, projectile is what they called it here. Yeah, we'll call it projectile. Projectile. Cool. Spawn point position. Now, where are they getting a spawn point from? Okay, right here. Oh, it's a rigid body, actually. So rigid body, 2D. Assuming it has to be 2D. Even though they're just using rigid body, you know what else? Yeah, we'll stick to 2D. And then they have public transform spawn point. Boom, boom, boom. All right, position. Projectile rotation. I don't know if that's what. It's an error. Actually, a thing. It doesn't want that. What does it want? Quaternion. I remember seeing something like this. Quaternion identity. Take that. Okay. And then they have the, what do you call it? Thing. Rigid body 2D. Spawned bullet. Spawn projectile. Oh. Set that there. Cool. Oh, stop. Slow down. Spawn projectile dot velocity. Cool. Equals spawn point. Transform. Vector 3 dot right times, say 20 for now. This is basically to make it so it shoots forward. In this case, it's gonna be right. We'll talk about that in Y in a second. But shoots right, and then at a speed of 20. Can't stay, but came to show my love. Aw, Joe, what's up, my man? I don't know if any of this is gonna work. This is probably not gonna work. Save. Pretty sure it's gonna not work, but we shall see. All right, so what we do need to do though is we need to come in here and we need to apply the boomstick script to this guy. So we'll add this new script, not new script. Script. Boomstick. Boop. So the projectile is gonna take in. Drop in the laser. This guy. Nope, no, that was not what I wanted to do. Boom. I think that's right. Shall see. I am making a game. I'm trying to, at least. That's kind of right. What the hell? I'm curving my bullets. This is great. It's so close. Oh my god. I guess what I could do is like just rotate this guy and it should technically be straight. If I run to be more specific though, I think what I need to do is do the same thing that I'm doing with my mouse. If you guys remember what I did there, which was basically take the angle and then rotate 90 degrees. So here's that same, not same script, but the player script. You can see here I was rotating negative 90 degrees. And how was I using this? Angle, so I used it here on a rotation. I don't know if I have something that's similar to that here. So there was a rotation. Maybe it's right here. Actually, kind of drunk over here. Oh no. Oh no. You get yourself in trouble. What time is it over there? It is 1:30. 1:30? Yeah, almost 1:30. You're actually going out? Or are you at home? So we have the spawn point, which I'm actually setting to, yeah, this gun. You know what? I'm going to just do that. It'll make things much easier. I'm going to just rotate this guy. However the hell you rotate this thing. 90. Oop. Not right. Trying to get that red to go up. That's right. Hey, look at that. But you can see here, look, all these clones are spawning in now. I'm not doing any garbage collection. No, I'm out. But about to walk in a strip. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Party animal over here. Just, yeah. See? Look at that. You should, Joe, leave your wallet in the car. You don't want to do anything, dumb. I don't think you'd do anything dumb, but just to keep you safe. Look at that. Dude, I'm just like shooting and like, holy moly, I'm just like wasting all my resources. Friend's birthday, so I have no choice. Oh no. He's done for, guys. Alright, so here's my editor. Is that Node.js? What's that doing in there? Your wallet's at home. Oh, okay, well, there you go. So you have a finite amount of money in your pocket, which is always good. You never want to walk in there with a credit card. Bad idea. I used to be single once. I know. Let's see. Not important because you know what? I'm at some point I'm gonna actually implement a like garbage collection. So once this thing, the bullets actually go out of frame, it'll drop out. In fact, it might be actually pretty easy to do. Maybe, I don't know. As it's updating, maybe check to see like where it's at, and if it's outside the viewport, then destroy. You'll hit me back. All right, thank you, man. Have fun. Not too much fun. All right, so we're gonna pop that back out. We're making some good progress, I think. Space and mouse. Actually, mouse is nice. Yeah, that's really nice. You see, I don't like it because I did it on button down. It only does it once if I click, so I have to like keep clicking. It's really cool. Filling my memory. Look at all these clones. You know what? Actually, I wonder if it's easy just to like uncheck that. I think it was literally that easy. Just replay it. Oh, it didn't save. I remember. Every time, I think what's happening is like whenever I make changes while playing, it's just staging it to show you what would happen. And then when you hit like the stop button or the play again to like stop it, it just reverts it back because it's just a stage change. I think what I have to do is actually just click it and on when it's not playing. Now it'll make it so it's not actually showing up. Yeah. Oh. No, it's like it's straight up gone. Okay. Well, dang. How do I not have it show up? If I delete it, I think it's gonna just go and just hide it. Because I think what's gonna happen is like all of them are gonna be hidden now. Maybe. Oh, that didn't work. Still there. All right, let's do a search. Let's just do a quick search. I mean, this all worked, so this is good to go. I don't need this anymore. Unity 2D hide initial bullet. Start with this one. First of all, I've been following this. I have a weapon script, both player and enemy prefabs. Wanted to detect if my player has pearl tip. All right, they don't really talk about the bullet. It's not important. Like this seems like something easy enough to like anybody can just figure out like off stream on their own if they want to. But hey, I have a game that shoots. That's cool. Huh. Never thought he'd ever go to a strip club. He's a man with needs. Leave him alone. Clicking's much better. Now, if I can make it so that like I can hold down shift and it'll like poo, 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 like kind of shoot them out like incrementally, that'll be cool. All right. Well, you know what? We actually made a lot of good progress, even though like I kind of stumbled quite a bit here. So I think I'm gonna call it done here and kind of think a little bit, like internalize what I've done now and think about a little bit next what I want to do in the next steps. Um, just kind of quickly looking at, I think once we actually get a level in here, I want to have some collision and some garbage cleanup. So if I shoot a wall, it hits the wall and just disappears. That'd be one. Two, I want this not to happen, like where it just completely grows and grows and grows until I run out of memory and my computer crashes. So yeah, that'll be another thing that I want to do as well. All right, well, thank you guys very much for tuning in, checking in, talking crap, telling me that you're gonna go to strip club. Thank you very much, and I will catch you guys next time.